Thank you for returning to King's Legacy Group. Again, I am NECA, your narrator and owner of King's Legacy Group. You are about to view additional parts to the topic indicated on the first slide. Thank you again for returning to complete the learning process of information that is vital and relevant to your financial journey. So enjoy. This is the short disclaimer you have already read and was narrated on the original slide of this presentation topic. Therefore, please read again at your leisure for the additional slides you are about to view. Other hacks and tips. We're almost done. Auto loan strategies. Do your research on the car at a cost you can afford first. Go to your credit union or your bank or someone like Capital One Auto Finance for a pre-approval letter and a check. Then you go to a trusted dealership to tell them what you want. And one of the things you tell them of what you want is, and you need to say it 2 or 3 times so they understand that you are serious. Do not be very adamant. Be adamant about not pulling your report with other banks or creditors. They can only pull your report with the dealership's bank. That one bank, not the 17 to 20 other banks that they're going to try to run your credit through. First of all, there's no point in them doing that because you're walking in with a pre-approval letter and a check already. But yes, they do need to at least still check through their own bank. And that's the only one you tell them to check. Okay? You can also, when you get to the point, like for me, in a year, because I need to put in 10 months to a year of building my business credit, then I'm going to buy a fleet of cars using my business licenses. Okay? That's what I'll be doing. Well, for one of the businesses, I'll be buying a fleet of cars. Okay? That's another video for a few hacks. So, again, note, a dealer running your credit with the third-party creditors can lead up to 15 to 20 hard inquiries on your credit report. So stop them from doing that. You go in prepared with a pre-approval letter and a check from that entity, your credit union, your bank, or someone like Capital One Auto Finance. You control it. And learn how to read these auto contracts. Some of this stuff on there, there'll be another video later. Some of this stuff on these auto contracts don't need to be on there. You don't need to be paying. I'm not saying everybody that work for a dealership is a crook, but they're in it for commission. They're in it to make money for the business and money for the salesman. So yes, that means they're raping you out of your money because they know or figure you don't have the sense to figure it out or know what's going on. Stop walking in blind. Be prepared, people. Student loan debt. Disadvantage student loan debt. Your student loan debt hurts you when you are trying to purchase a home. I've mentioned this before. An advantage, it helps you with your credit history as far as the age of debt. That 15%, it helps you with that. So meeting scheduled on-time payments, if you're in an IBR, pay more towards the principal. Just like a house. When you have a mortgage and you have your regular monthly payments, you should choose to either pay extra every month or extra every 3 months, at least one payment towards principal only. And you specify that on the payment that is for principal only. You can do the same process on a car loan. If you make one payment once every 3 months, or even one payment once a year on the principal alone, that takes your loan amount down tremendously, and you pay it off quicker. Okay? Bankruptcy. There are 2 types of bankruptcies. Dismissed and discharged. Dismissed is an incomplete process file not resolved, meaning discharged with the court system, of which some people go through the process of filing bankruptcy, but they're just trying to stall, try to put things off from being taken from them, but they don't actually go through the final process of going to court to discharge it. So it never finalizes itself. So it's just like it just goes away. Discharge is a completed process file that has been resolved with the court system. The beginning of your fresh start to doing it right this time around. It's a public record. It can affect your credit score up to 200 points after your discharge, which I haven't really seen that because I've done 2 bankruptcies and actually the score went up afterwards. It can remain on your credit report for 7 to 10 years, depending on your state regulations. Take advantage of your new peace of mind and focus on your rebirth to achieve financial wellness and security. Bankruptcy continued. Giving yourself a reset. The ability to start over to do it right this time. No excuses. If you haven't learned from past mistakes, then I don't know what to tell you. You're just a lost cause. Nothing to be ashamed of because you made the best choice for your life circumstances. Immediately open a secured credit card to rebuild your credit worthiness. What you'll be able to do now. Your credit score will start to increase on its own right after your discharge. It doesn't really go down. I haven't heard anybody say that or seen that happen. At least not with me. It went up. You can apply for an unsecured credit card for 6 months after discharge. You can apply for a car loan immediately after the discharge, but you'll be getting a high interest rate. Wait 2 years to apply for a home loan. Consider first-time home buyer after 3 years. Okay? Things to know. If it says charge off on your credit report, this means the original creditor took a tax write-off and sold your account, which means it's no longer your debt anymore. Stop paying your rent with cash, money order, debit card, or cashier's check. Pay it with a credit card to help build your credit history and score. Home buyers increase their credit with their mortgage payments, so why not get the same credit advantage by paying your rent with a credit card? Credit cards. Ooh, we're almost there. You have a secured credit card and you have an unsecured credit card. The amount of money you deposit yourself to start an account is what sets your available credit limit. What you contribute is what you have and nothing more. Just because it's secure and it's your money, you still have the same rules and processes to follow to build your history and credit score. An unsecured credit card is offered as a line of credit based on your DTI and credit history. Your credit limit is determined by your credit profile. Start with an initial fee or fees, low or high risk interest rate. It all depends on your history. C and D tier cards. I'm sure you all have heard tier plenty of times. Tier credit cards. So I'm going to explain what those are. A Tier 1 credit card. Tier 1 credit scores are generally regarded as scores that range between 760 and 850. Tier 2 ranges between 700 and 759. Tier 3 ranges between 660 and 699. Tier 4 ranges between 620 and 659. Tier 5 ranges between 580 and 619, which is a problem and considered subprime by lenders. Tier 6 is 500 to 579. People with a Tier 6 credit score will qualify for the rock bottom interest rate if they qualify at all. Top tier cards to get: a brick and mortar bank credit card, a credit union credit card, Capital One, and if I'm not mistaken, I probably shouldn't say this, but There's one that you always get mail about or email about. It says Capital One Bank. I don't think that's an official Capital One card. I think that's just how they try to disguise themselves so you think you're getting a good card. I'm going to check into that further. But anyway, Discover, Citi, American Express, Self Lender Credit Builder, Chime Credit Builder, Citi Double Cash Card, Navy Federal Cash Rewards Card, Costco Anywhere Visa Card, Sam's Club by MasterCard, Southwest Rapid Rewards Priority Credit Card. Leverage your credit cards. I'm sorry, I had the hiccups. Take advantage of the benefits you get from the credit cards. Credit rewards, travel points, building reward points, increasing your credit score, evaluating your buying and borrowing power, maximize the strength of your regular house bills, have enough credit coverage to deal with those life emergencies. Example, a $10,000 limit credit card and you need $800 for an emergency, you're good to go. You only have reached a 8% of utilization. Work it, people, work it. Here we are to the end. Thank you for waiting it out. It is 1:10 a.m. where I'm at. I'm going to bed after this. Support our platform. Please support our platform. Thank you for watching a King's Legacy Group presentation. Please take a moment to click to support this informational channel for our community. Click like, hopefully on all of our videos. Click share, hopefully on all of our videos. Make a comment. We would appreciate it because we would like your feedback. Subscribe. It only takes one time per platform, social media platform, to subscribe. And it only takes one time to hit the notification bell on each social media platform. YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, and Facebook. Also, again, follow us, support us. Here are the links to each one: Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Next live video is Sunday, tomorrow at 5 p.m. Again, Sundays live are targeted towards the youth, ages 12 to 17. But the next adult live is Wednesdays at 7 p.m. This Wednesday coming up, I am covering understanding business credit, but it won't be as long as this personal presentation. Building business credit, leveraging business credit, business credit, and business insurance. Business insurance can be leveraged to build your business credit. And your business report card. Protect yourself and your assets with insurance. So I'm going to be going over that coming up this Wednesday, but it won't be as long as this one, obviously. This was a little taste of what a master class would be. A lot. Last thing I'm going to leave with, don't believe the lie. Your personal credit, your personal guarantor is needed to start a business. That information is needed to start your business. They are going to reference it. Your personal credit is important to the success of your business started. For your business startup. Proper planning is crucial to your business longevity. And are you ready to learn how to build your business credit now? Building your business credit is a serious strategy and process to follow. So let's get started for next Wednesday.
Opposed to dealing with unstable individuals.
We have reached the end of the journey for this presentation. Again, if you stuck it, if you stayed with me, God bless you. Because I know you tired, because I'm tired too. Because this was a lot of information. I knew I had a lot of paperwork to put together to create the presentation, but it was more than what I had, more than what I thought I had. But anyway, I'm gonna say good night. I hope that you found some value in the content shared tonight or today, wherever you're at. So until next time, take care of yourselves and know that knowledge is real power when you apply it. Please remember to support our platform. Thank you.